No, stop. I'm crewmate. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm doing a Among Us Fix My Makeup. And so yeah, it's like a challenge kind of a video, and I'm making this as challenging as I can. So I looked this video up, and as of now, according to YouTube, I'll show you guys, today is October 22nd, and as of now only Sylvia has done a video like this. And in her video she picks her makeup when, like, suppose red dyed, so she will do a red color look like on her eye or lip. My technique is different, so in my portion of this challenge, but full credit to her if she came up with this first, I'm not too sure, but I'll link her video in the description. But in my challenge, I will be doing it how is every time someone dies or has an emergency meeting, whoever's color comes up, sus first or name, and then I'll pick that color of the person. I'll do my makeup in that order. So I'm not allowed to choose where which color goes like Sylvia did in her video. The first three sus people will be for my eyes, then blush, then highlight, then last lips. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm really excited for this challenge because it's gonna push my artistic abilities, and I love challenges. So yeah, without any further ado, let's do the challenge. And I will be playing this on a public server. I'm not playing this with my friends because I know they will try to sabotage me. So sabotage me, I didn't do that reference on purpose, but if you play the game you probably know that. But yeah, this is gonna be fun, and I'm going to be screen recording and playing the game in one shot, and after I'm done I'll be doing my makeup in the order that I got the sus colors. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Also, I'm allowed to be imposter, and I'm not allowed to suggest any colors in the chat. I will just be nodding my head and waving like a good crewmate or imposter that I am. Okay, so I'm just starting the screen recording. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm choosing a Europe server, but it's bound to be a language. Okay, so I'm in James's game. There's TikTok donuts and stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. There's only 5 of us. Oh my gosh. Anyways. Okay, I'm crewmate. Okay, I'm just gonna be doing my task. Okay. We have a task in O2, so I'm gonna be doing that. Okay. Pink called a meeting already. Pink is TikTok. Hi, Miss TikTok. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm saying what in the chat? Why? Red sus. Okay, so they think I am sus.
Back to this bitch that had a lot to say about me the other day in the press. Miley, what's good?
Pink. Okay, so the pink is... Someone said pink. We love that. Okay. I'm gonna vote, who said red? I'm sorry, Miss James Charles, is that you?
Hi, sisters!
No, stop. I'm crewmate. See, I told you I'm crewmate. They didn't trust me. I'm doing my task anyways, because I'm just a baddie. Look at me doing my task like a good independent. I don't like this task. It's really annoying. It's so annoying. Okay. Defeat. It was donuts. Okay. Okay, whatever. Is that John Cena? Oh my gosh. I'm green. I don't want to be green. I'm gonna be purple. No. I got green. Okay. I'm crewmate again. Are you kidding me? Okay. They switched off the lights. Are you kidding me? Freaking imposters, I tell you. I love the wire tasks. It's so easy. We stand. I mean, all these tasks are easy, but still, you know what I'm saying. Defeat. So these are the imposters. So let me do them as like this. Let's do, since purple is them, let's do purple, pink, and red on the eyes. Okay, we love that. So for eyes, we have red, pink, and purple. So I'm thinking red on the lid, like pink in the not keeping the games for long, so whoever is an imposter, I have not already done the color, so I'm doing that. So yeah, yellow was an imposter. So okay, now I'm trying a new game because I want to be imposter. Okay, I'm brown, really brown. That's poo poo color. I want to be brown. Let's run around for no reason. Tell me I'm the imposter. Been getting crewmate for so so annoying. I don't want to be the good guy. I don't want to be the good guy. I'm done being the good guy. Okay, there's one in navigation. Now we have blush, highlight, and lips left. One in navigation. I love this Halloween theme. So cute. Me doing my tasks. Can I get an imposter once? Please? I'm begging. I'm begging. I'm begging. In admin. Defeat. Black. Okay. Pink I've already done. Black. Blush. Yellow. Okay. So we're in Pro's game. Again I'm green. Whatever. Thank gosh, I'm the imposter. Okay. Yay. Okay. Let me sabotage everyone. Let me go kill someone. Shit. My crew has already killed someone. I'm gonna kill a fellow. Okay. Yellow. They're saying yellow. Okay. But I've already done yellow. They're saying yellow, but yellow is already gone. But we can choose like a yellow tone highlighter. So let's pick another blush. I'll choose like a warm tone blush and a yellow tone highlighter, like a goldy shade. We love that. So lips are only left. Okay, so I did the liner and I'm just going to I'm the imposter. Me! But I didn't kill anyone yet because I'm just so nice. I like to lay low. You know? Wait, is there someone in electrical? No. Addison Ray, let me kill Addison. Yay! I won. Okay. I won! But I didn't get a color. Should I do? I'm not done green. Should I do green lips? Should I do green lips? Because let's do green lips. Let's just do green lips. Okay.
I'm doing green lips because I was the imposter.
So for lips, like I said, I'm going to be doing green lipstick. A darker green I feel will look better in this look. But I'm really bold for doing this. I would never do this in a million years. So I'm lining my lips first with black because to make like the green bit like an ombre and look nice. Okay. Now I'm taking the green. It's made like a cool green shade. I like that. It's like almost teal. Oh my god. Instant regret. It's still really dope. I think it's really dope. Just taking a bit of that black shade, creating like an ombre. Okay, so now I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna clean my lips properly, like the edges, and to set my face and give you like the final reveal. So this is the finished makeup look. So this is the result of the Among Us makeup challenge with my twist on it. If you told me that I'll be able to wear and pull off green lipstick, I would be like, shut up. I think the black really helped. Makes my teeth look really yellow, but And I also bordered the purple liner so it can be seen thoda, like a bit. I'm so happy with how the look turned out. It's giving me very like alien princess, alien space baddie, alien realness, alien glam. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and follow me on Instagram and all the good stuff. Link in the description. See you in my next one. Bye.